In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Leadpages in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, if you've got your browser open, go ahead and type Leadpages into your search bar. It's a good idea to select the result with the URL leadpages.com. This is the official site, ensuring you're in the right place and ready to start. Once you're on the Leadpages homepage, you'll want to look for the Login option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and do that. If you're new to Leadpages or having trouble with your login, don't forget you can usually find a Forgot Password option to reset your credentials. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of adding an actual carousel, here's a quick heads up. You'll need to create your carousel using a third-party service. Options like POWR or Common Ninja work well for this. Once you've set up your carousel there, you'll need to copy the provided embed code. This code is crucial because it allows you to integrate the carousel into your Leadpages page. With everything prepped so far, let's open your Leadpages page in the editor. You'll see various tools and features on the left-hand side of your editor interface. Navigate to the Widgets section. This is where all the fun happens, as it's home to various elements you can add to your page. Look for the HTML widget in the Widgets menu. This is your best friend right now. You need to drag and drop this HTML widget onto the specific area on your page where you want your carousel to appear. It's a simple process, but take your time to position it just right to ensure a clean and professional look. After placing the widget, hover over it until you see an edit icon. This icon may look like a pencil or could appear only when you hover over the widget. Click on it, and you'll open an HTML window. This is where the magic code you've copied from your third-party service comes into play. Paste the code into this HTML window and double-check everything to make sure all is as it should be. Finally, you'll just need to save your work by clicking Save within that HTML window and then closing it. While you won't see the carousel in the live editor, trust that it's there. To verify, check out the preview or visit the published page where your carousel should be a seamless part of your site. And that's it! You've successfully added a carousel to your Leadpages page. Thanks for following along. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more insights and tips.